Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rambai bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: World TB Day observed with motorbike rally in Jowai. Batista Kongla from Lindam Rai Mauja, Penursla, selected as semi-finalist for Indian Talent Fight Season 2. Formi Kongji selected for National Bravery Award from the Indian Council for Child Welfare. And now the news in detail. The day aims to increase efforts to end the global epidemic of TB, one of the world's deadliest infectious killers, which according to data by World Health Organization (WHO) has claimed the lives of around 1,400,000 people in the year 2019. World Tuberculosis TB Day is observed each year on March 24th to raise awareness amongst the public about the debilitating health, social as well as economic consequences of tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is an infectious disease that affects the lungs and spreads to people when an infected person sneezes or coughs, which is the reason why timely diagnosis and medical attention is the key to fighting the disease. On the theme, the clock is ticking, from the District Tuberculosis Control Society, West Jaintia Hills, through the implementation of the National Tuberculosis Elimination Program, the day is observed in a very special way by a motorbike rally, which commenced from Lat College Kiang Nongba through Yau Musyang, Chut Waku, Kim Usnyang, Chiliang Raj, Yongpia, Dulong, and concluded at the District Tuberculosis Center in Panaliar. During the rally, the theme song, which was specially prepared for the day, was played all along the way. Speaking at the program, Dr. EBV Lalu, in charge District Tuberculosis, said, as the theme for the day is, the clock is ticking. One must understand timely diagnosis of the disease is important so that one's life can be saved. She also encouraged people to come forward for the treatment since it is curable and it is free of cost.
India brought the global WHO. But ki patient mdi dawai ki leni ki bru ko kujut mdi dawai tista ki the mod dam no ki kam tu chiteng banai lene chi banai the kami gitu the ken be ki ong ki ka lost to follow up mo they da I na ka liang yong I na ka program I gi wa kre chfil jo lai thu ki gini ki bru ki wa mdi dawai nem te ha po arfa so kanta lene ha po chitiaw li thu ki le de bin ki wan dia the di dawai biang gi Nela da daman ki pelat ega cibenai temot de keng be ki kam kita ki lost to follow up temot ye gitu ki bru manda ong ki wandi rawai biang le hap test biang ni ta ka daw ko wan ra ye te wan ne ga jingmi ga te ga lost to follow up ye ko wan ra ye kita ki multi drug resistant ta heni ha jwai le ne ha ka chnong ri jan tiang I de bon ha ki ni multi drug resistant ye compare wa I ha po Meghalaya I ha jan tia jan mani ki wa ar
A program was held in the state capital of Meghalaya at the office of the State Health Minister to observe the World Tuberculosis Day. To make it special, a booklet on Meghalaya State Strategic Plan to Eliminate Tuberculosis by 2025 was released at the function. Speaking at the function, Shri A.L. Hek informed, as per the plan, the country aimed at eradicating the deadly disease by 2025.
Rates among the infectious diseases in our states. It's not only in our state and also in our country. So the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, in 2018 has committed to end TB by 2025. 5 years ahead of the Sustainable Developmental Goal, we are racing against time. That's why I'm saying the time is flying. With 4 years left to achieve our goal, I would like to call upon all the stakeholders, like the Rotary Club of Shillong, which have done immense contribution and services to the people, the development partners, civil society organizations, research institutions, the private sector, and many others whose work is relevant to TB eliminations, to kindly give your best effort in this patients.
One youth from the locality Lindam Rai Mauja in Penursla, Batista Kongta, is selected for the semi-final of the Indian Talent Fight Season 2, which will be held at Uttarakhand. From the Neutrap Youth Council Riwar Mingi, it has extended financial support along with best wishes for Batista to reach the top. Speaking to the media, Batista expressed his joy and excitement for being selected for the semi-final in the competition. He also requested the people of the state to support him by voting for him in this event.
ko ngatiba kumu amit pol ude ubriu ba dor sabha ke cerwai tenrai habede ka bot per kalong sadin boleh ba dia per ya hanya po state Meghalaya jongi bersumna tangkan no kabut mau bani rujur bat kabut jong ki briu sepo khas the nomor sepo khas la tv ki pajba la long no kami Meghalaya jongi kalong tang sitro ta khamat jong kabut na po india mo te ban no beraway kani ka north east jongi ka palong ai ban ni rujur bat kiri thor sete kabut ka long ya per bak tangba halor kata ngam do jikrmen hin mar boleh asnotho ba sisin bala simti jagani ka kam ngakrmen skamba laknuk noru ada ompoi se kata ka thong jo jingjop man ong poi hak matro ringa bo jikrmen ba sisin bala ben simta kala don ka ka ban long no kana ko borong ya ka sten playa jo hi berkoi
Uttarakhand angti apo nong ba Delhi tekan sem hi ka pen pau ba ya kinu ki khon samla ki bejumi ban represent nabar jong ka Shillong nabar jong ka jaka jongi ni jukit bok ki bangi khon samla lada dei hakanu ka shiola nei hakanu ka talan ka bamaki ki shimenta ban pen pau ban kiyo sha jrong bat kumjur ka jing song sarong ya ka thain riwar ka jongi namar ni kwa ba ki khon samla lada dei shin rang ne kan thai bakin la ban mi sha khamat ban pen i ya ta ka sap ka phong ka bamaki ki don ban pen i sha ka perthai bangi kum ka jaj ban riu shibun gidon la ka jong ka sap ka boblei ula ai kerpang na ka banta jong.
It is a matter of pride to the state as one young boy of 14 years of age is selected by the Indian Council for Child Welfare to receive the National Bravery Award 2020. In this world where people tend to be selfish and arrogant, there are still good people around who are selfless and thoughtful enough to sacrifice their lives for others' well-being. The inspiring story of this young little boy by the name of Formi Kongji must be shared to encourage others to follow his footsteps. During the lockdown last year, Formi Kongji had managed to save 2 children of his age from drowning, one in the month of June and the other in the month of September. His brave act would not have come to light had it not reached the ears of the Hill Farmers Union members. The Hill Farmers Union General Secretary guided Formi to apply for the award, for which the Indian Council for Child Welfare deemed fit for Formi to receive the award from the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The award ceremony was supposed to be held during the Republic Day every year, but this time, due to the pandemic, the award ceremony function is postponed with the date to be notified later.
Ini ya TV kente benai Jun hadin hau benai September sautering apply ini kente tu hawa hadin yoi baka jengi kamla syub nya sai elade hadin ngale yarap namar ngadon nang tu kaju hawa kaju ku bengi jengi kai hadin ngale yarap ya ini hadin apply hadin oi lidna sha
Ang lidna sa
Shillong balik deng sakti deng jan
Hi.
Kumen barak baila lajim pas
Nakau paya. Kat saya tadi saya tembal. Ngaji batik na prakna. Ngam jigi itu mah. Ngam jelok itu ngalah thaj mah. Ngam jelok tu. Panchim Formi ngalah lagi. Kumna among dami sabar. Langsung lele re. Namal banget dan prakna mo. Ang dan Formi.
okay
Kini em kilayo em bangat ngam jelok untuk kisah kanti betul nanti ngejrong mau kini pati lagi ini. Tama pas. Nasuti memang ngadang dek para begini. Ngong ap yang ngam jingi em ap angwan tarik ngam dek. Ini apa nih? Dalek sangat jelek.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.